11th, would you please put your hands together for a gentleman who is brilliant. He's performed all over the place. He hails from the Greater West Sydney. He's brilliant. He's an Australian rapper based here in Sydney as well. His debut mixtape, Beyond Opposites, has thousands of views and hundreds of downloads. Would you please welcome right here, right now, Smooth.
Thank you, brother. So this is just a little spit that I got to do. It's called a knockout. You know, just giving a warm up for everyone to see what it's like. Here we go. So here I go once again, spitting on the daily. I kept writing bars for the dead people lately. I don't really care to know. I'm here for the fun and watch it go. Yes, excessively, I am keen to write this. I am no poet or writing romantic things. I'm more of a guy. Snap at the kick. Not the type of guy to act for the love of chicks. Lovely. I'm not clinging to this, but if I am hooked, I'll be loving that this. And yes, a little bit of corny shows like it's my love drug and eat my Oreos. I got my chocolates and the flowers and the slice for writing bars for hours. Snickers the mark, having a treat. And yes, those are my bars because I have sweet teeth. Music is my love and rap is my life. I want to be in front of the crowd with the mic. I've got haters, they always judge. I do it either, you have to hold a grudge. Mr. 16 is the real to spit. The words take it to the last day when I quit. I spark it up like fireworks, cool down like ice. I got hubba bubba, so I popped it twice. Thank you, I got my name Smooth, and get to watch me at the Spring Festival at Stratfield next week on the main stage at 1. And thank you. You guys have been great.
Ladies and gentlemen, Smooth.